Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 5. A check bounces.
What can I help you with today?
I have a problem.
What is the problem?
I wrote a check for $100 and it bounced.
Do you have enough money in your account?
I think so.
Let me check that for you right now.
Okay. Thank you.
Apparently there is only $57 left in your account.
You can't be serious.
That's what my records show.
I see. Thanks for your help.
How may I help you?
There's a problem with my check.
What problem?
My check for $100 bounced.
Are you sure you have $100 in your checking account?
I thought I did.
I'll check for you.
Thank you very much.
It looks like you only have $57 left in your account.
That can't be right.
That's what my computer is showing.
All right. Thank you very much.
What can I do for you?
I have a problem with this check.
What's wrong?
I wrote out a check for $100 and it bounced.
Do you have enough money in your checking account?
I believe so.
Give me a moment, and I'll check.
All right. Thanks.
You only have $57 left in your checking account.
That's impossible.
I'm sorry, but that's what our records show.
Okay. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.